It's delicious and autumn-ish. It's your whiskey sour, but the addition of the ice cider provides that really snappy, wonderful apple note, nice acidity. It's really bright, it's really crisp, it's delicious and refreshing and perfect for autumn. Plus, I always like a drink with a snack. So, let's go shopping. All right, so what better for an autumn sour than a apple-themed bourbon? And we have Neversink, which is a wheated bourbon. So that brings a little more soft, delicate silkiness than you get with some bourbons. And then they finish it in apple pommeau casks, which gives it a bit of that apple note, which really makes it perfect to pair with our ice cider in this cocktail, because its flavor profile is just meant to marry with apple. So next we come over to this often overlooked section, but you are not going to want to overlook it this fall. This is our iced ciders and wines, and the one that I used in the cocktail today is going to be Milk and Honey's Alchemy, this cute little bottle. And it's an iced cider, so they let the apples freeze on the trees and then they press them frozen, so what you get is a higher sugar to water content. So it's going to allow you to get more alcohol while still maintaining some of the sweetness, but really brings a concentrated flavor and really nice acid. It is absolutely delicious on its own. If you've never tried one, definitely come by and get yourself one of these for fall. So today we're gonna make an autumn sour. Go 1.5 ounces of bourbon, 1.5 ounces of an ice cider, 1/2 ounce fresh squeezed lime juice, 1/4 ounce of a honey simple syrup. Simple syrup made with honey instead of sugar. We're gonna shake with just a big cube today. You can shake with whatever ice, just control the amount of shaking for the dilution that you want. Shake. And rocks glass. All right, and then we're gonna garnish with a chunk of apple. And that is how you make our autumn sour.